Iris.
Why are you making?
Oh, it's already starting?
Yeah, what are you making here? Look, he's making a reindeer.
It looked like a dog.
No, it looks like a frog.
It looked like a frog.
You see? No, the first one with this character started at 5. How is it a reindeer?
It's the nose,
Yeah,
the eyes, and the horns.
that's a bad reindeer.
How do I pause it?
You don't. You can't.
Really? Yeah, I can. Right here.
Let me see.
Pause.
You know what's funny? I saw her Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Now
that's
it's
a cool.
make this interesting.
Don't zoom in because you know it's gonna
Yeah.
mute it. Whose glasses are these?
Cheers.
Oh, really? That's what happens when you try to zoom in? Why?
So much.
The only way you can't find out is to try.
Oh, you want to start?
Oh, yeah. I remember there were some mutes in there. And I was like, what's happening?
That's gonna be on YouTube.
Alright, hold up. I gotta look at these.
You're on YouTube right now. Say hi to the world.
You know why I haven't
Hi, world.
like all
Say hi to the world.
Wait, who's this?
Brandon, say hi to the world.
Carla.
Say hi to the world. Shut up! Don't do that. Shut up.
Alright. Carla, how many points is it?
Carla, you want to have something funny?